Assalamualaikum friends. Today we are going to see how to make fish curry with coconut. Welcome to my channel Hotpot Food. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new to my channel. It will help me to upload more new videos. So now let's go into the preparation. Heat a tawa and add cumin seeds 1 spoon, coriander seeds 1.5 spoon, pepper 1/3 spoon, fenugreek 1/4 spoon, dry red chili 4 pieces. Dry roast it for about 3 minutes. These ingredients will be crunchy. At that time you can add 5 to 6 small onions, add half cup of coconut and dry roast it again. At this stage, if you feel to add oil, you can add oil for 1 tablespoon. Add few curry leaves and roast it. It should turn into golden brown. When it turns golden brown, you can add turmeric 1/3 spoon, red chili powder 1/2 spoon. Here I am using Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix them well. Allow it to cool in room temperature. Now you can transfer this into the blender and blend this for about 75%. Add some water to it. So the fish that I taken here is bluefin trevally, that is called in Tamil as parai. You can take any other fishes also like kingfish and so on. Now the fish has been cleaned. Now you can add the blended mixture into this. Here I have poured half a cup of water into the blender and add it into this. Avoid using spoons, rather rotate them. Add 1.5 cup water more and mix it by rotating it. Now you can add tamarind water and amla sliced. Soak the tamarind in water for about 5 minutes and use that water. Add it into this. Now add 1 sliced tomato. Add 2 green chilies, salt to taste, few curry leaves. After 5 minutes, you can see it is boiling well and the fish curry is ready. Now it's time to switch off the flame. You can serve this recipe with rice for lunch. Hope you like this recipe. Please give a thumbs up. And to watch more videos, click on the subscribe button below. And have a nice day. Keep safe, stay safe. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.